Okay, good morning class. So this is the video for the standard 8, chapter number 3rd, continuing here, exercise 3.3. The question number 6. Two adjacent angles of a parallelogram have equal measure. Find the measure of each of the angles of the parallelogram. Okay, the question is two adjacent angles of a parallelogram have equal measure. Find the measure of each of the angles of a parallelogram. So they said two adjacent angles of parallelogram have the equal measure, means equal adjacent angles are equal, and so you have to solve the question number 6. We take let the parallelogram B let a parallelogram B we draw parallelogram, suppose we name them parallelogram A, angle A, B, angle C, angle D. So this is a parallelogram A, B, C, D. So I need two adjacent angle. A or D you take, A D you take. Okay, I need two adjacent angle. Angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Because in a parallelogram, one property is that see adjacent angles sum is equal to supplementary degree. Okay, it's 180 degree. So angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. So angle A plus angle B, you take this is x, this is also x. Okay, because they said that angle A or angle B is equal, so we take x plus x is equal to 180 degree. Means that angle A is equal to angle B. They already said two adjacent angles of a parallelogram have equal measure. Okay, so 2x equal to 180 degree, x equal to 180 degree divided by 2, 90 degree. X equal to 90 degree means angle A equal to angle B 90 degree. Okay, clear? Angle A equal to angle B is equal to 90 degree. Angle A is equal to angle C. Angle C is equal to angle A is equal to 90 degree, and angle D is equal to angle B 90 degree. Okay, angle D is equal to angle B is equal to 90 degree. Okay, clear class? So each angle is equal to 90 degree of parallelogram. So 90 into 4 is 360 degree. Means this is a parallelogram. Okay. We call it a parallelogram the type of square or rectangle also, because each angle is 90 degree. Please copy this one. Let's talk to next one. Question number 7. The adjacent figure hope is a parallelogram. Find the measure x, y, and z. State the properties you use to find them. Means we use the properties of parallelogram and find the x, y, z. This is the x, this is the y, this is the z. Okay. So first of all, this we call P. So first of all, find the value of P. So angle P plus 70 degree is equal to 180 degree. Sum of adjacent angle of a parallelogram is equal to 180 degree. So angle P you don't know. So angle P is equal to 180 degree. So angle P is equal to minus 70 is 110 degree. So angle P is equal to 110 degree. OPE. So angle O you call O. Okay, angle O it is. Angle O is equal to 110 degree. Now angle O means equal to angle E. Angle E is equal means we find the value of x, no? So x is equal to angle E, and angle E is equal to angle O. Opposite angle of a parallelogram. Opposite angle of parallelogram, x equal to angle E is equal to angle O. So value of x is equal to value of P. So x equal to angle E is equal to angle O is 110 degree. This also 110 degree. Value of x. Now we find a value of y. So value of y is equal to 40 degree, because EH parallel to OP parallelogram, that's why, and HP is a transversal. It's a transversal. So by alternate angle, and y is equal to 40 degree by alternate angles. By alternate angle, y value is 40 degree. Now find the value of z. So it is a triangle HO HOP. So HOP, angle H plus angle O plus angle P is equal to 180 degree, because sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So angle H is Z, angle O is 110 degree, angle P is Y now. So Y is 40 degree equal to 180 degree. Z is equal to 180. 110 plus 40 is 150. That is equal to 155, 150, 60, 70, 80. That is equal to 30 degree. Okay? And plus. Okay, for question number 8, find x and y. X and y. Solution first. So we find the value of x. So it is a parallelogram. So G, U and S is a parallelogram. If it is a parallelogram, G is a parallelogram. So therefore opposite sides are equal. Parallel also and equal also. So we find the value of x and y. So therefore means xg is equal to nu and sn is equal to gu. So it is 3x and it is 18 and is 18 and this is 3x. So x equal to 18 divided by 3. 3 is the 18. So x value is 6. Now SN and is equal to 26. 26 equal to 3y minus 1. 3y minus 1 is equal to 26 plus 1. 3y, so 26 plus 1 is 27. Well, 27 divided by 3, 3 9 are 27. So y value is 9. Y value is 9. X value is 6, y value is 9. Same, we saw see the question number second, question number 8, that RUNS is a parallelogram. So its diagonals are bisect each other. Its diagonals are bisect each other. So diagonal bisect each other means name this verb O. So O and in the book is what is given. We call O and is equal to OR. O and is equal to OR. Diagonal bisect each other. This part is equal to this part. O and is equal to OR. So O and is x plus y is equal to 16. Okay, and one more thing, the next is the OU. OU is equal to OS. So O is y plus 7, 20 minus 7. Y is equal to 20 minus 7 is 30. 20 minus 30. Now x equal to, now we know that y value is 13, so put the value of y, 30. 16. So x equal to 16 minus 13, so x value is 3. X value is 3, y value is 30. Understand class? Let's copy this.